You know that feeling when you're working on a huge project and your desktop is just a mess? Files scattered everywhere, a dozen apps open, and you're constantly alt-tabbing, trying to find that one specific document you need. It's digital chaos, right? It's the kind of clutter that slows you down, breaks your focus, and honestly, makes you feel less productive than you really are. We've all been there. It's the modern-day equivalent of a cluttered desk, but on your computer. What if there was a better way? A way to create a clean, organized workspace for every single task, project, or client you're working on. A way to instantly switch between a project for work, a personal hobby, and your school assignments without ever having to close a window? Imagine a system that compartmentalizes your digital life, giving each task its own dedicated room with everything it needs and nothing it doesn't. That's exactly what Spaceship is designed to do, and it's a game changer. Think of it as a virtual command center for your Mac. At its core, Spaceship is a productivity tool built around the concept of spaces. Each space is a self-contained environment that houses all the applications, windows, and files related to a specific task. For example, you could have a video editing space with Final Cut Pro and your project folders, a client space with your CRM and project documents, and a personal space with your email and web browser. The first major pro is unparalleled organization. No more searching through a sea of open windows. With Spaceship, you simply navigate to the space you need, and all your tools are right there, ready to go. It reduces cognitive load and saves you a ton of time. It's the digital equivalent of having separate, perfectly organized desks for all your different jobs. Next, it dramatically improves focus. Context switching is a productivity killer. When you're trying to work on one thing while being distracted by notifications and open windows from another, your brain has to constantly re-engage. Spaceship solves this by creating a focused environment for each task. When you're in your writing space, you're only seeing the windows related to your writing. This helps you get into a state of deep work faster and stay there longer. Third, it makes multitasking and collaboration seamless. Say you're on a Zoom call and need to quickly pull up a document. Instead of minimizing a dozen windows, you can simply switch to your meeting space, where everything you need is prearranged. Sharing your screen becomes a breeze because you can share an entire space, showing only what's relevant to the conversation. Finally, it's all about efficiency. The ability to instantly switch between these focused workspaces isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a fundamental shift in how you use your computer. It allows you to move fluidly from one task to another, without the friction of digital clutter. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.